Concept 2, writing the point-slope form of an equation. So this is the opposite of what we just did. When you know the slope and a point on the line, and you're given that information, to put it back into point-slope form, you need to first reverse the signs. So both 3 and 5 are positive. So I'm going to make those into -3 and -5. All right, and so when I put them into my equation, I'm going to have this as my y value, it's -5. So it becomes y minus 5 equals my slope of 2/3 times x minus 3. Okay, so that's the only step you really need to do before plugging in the values, is reverse the signs on each coordinate. All right, so here I have another one. I've got everything filled out that I know is always going to be there. It's always going to have y and x. It's always going to be an equation. It's always going to have parentheses. Okay, start by filling in my slope. Right now it's -5. Okay, fill in the opposite of my coordinates. So I have 0. I could put in -0. I could put in +0. It doesn't matter because this is 0. Okay, but I'm going to stick with -0. And then I have -2 here. So when I change the sign, it becomes x plus 2. Okay. All right. Same thing with this one. Start with my slope, 1/4. Okay. And then reverse the signs. This is my y. So I have a -1. It becomes +1. And I have a +3. It becomes -3. Okay. This will work if it's a fraction, if it's a positive, negative, whatever it is. You're going to switch the sign on it. Okay. So if it's negative, it becomes positive. If it's positive, it becomes negative. And then you're just going to plug it in. And the other thing you need to make sure of is that you're putting in your x in next to x, basically. Okay, into those parentheses right beside x. Okay, and y goes beside y. That's it.